Hello viewers, a great welcome from String Technologies. In the first pause, I would like to introduce about String Technologies. String Technologies, established in 2005, has great experience of 9 years for training thousands of students in the fields of electronics and communication, electrical and associated technologies. String Technology is offering online projects and online short-term courses which are well equipped with the latest IT tools to give a real-time class and lab infrastructure availability to the participant and guides him in such a way to make him learn any latest technology sitting in front of his computer across the world. Usually, when we talk about the online projects and online courses, we find people with a lack of confidence and a rise of question in their mind that through online, how could be able to work on lab experiments and think that it may not be possible to work on live hardware platforms and tools. But String Technology setup ensures that any complicated hardware, lab or tool working is possible by sitting across the computer. Basic setup. The setup for online class basically consists of precisely a well-experienced tutor, a hardware platform through which the student has to understand the basic principles and the way to perform lab experiments in the lab sessions conducted by the tutor, and also subsequently the student must practice his own lab sessions simultaneously. And a computer where we have a PowerPoint presentation, array notes with which the basic associated subject fundamentals will be explained clearly, and we also have tools related to the required working platform. The time at which the lecture sessions are supposed to be get started up, the tutor in the String Technologies will start delivering the lecture on the associated principles. Simultaneously, he will be switching among the required software tools where the student can be able to hear from the other end.
Good evening everyone. Today's session we are going to have the lab experiments for this board, and this is the board which we are working on the lab experiments. In this lab experiments we are using this board. In this board we are having the LPC2148 controller, and it has the power supply of 9 volts required for this one, and next is the reset button and board button. On this board we are having the LED modules which are connected on the board. And today we are going to have the plan of the GPIO programming on the LEDs, and the onboard LCD module is present on the board, and we are having the SD card is from. Now we shall go for the tool flow. Here for this controlling programming we are using Keel ID environment for this. This is the Keel ID environment. In this environment this is the main function we are writing here. Here, coming to the main function, it's a pin selection 2 which I am configuring for the GPIOs, and this is the IODR which I am directing for the port pins to the output functionality, and this is the while one which will be having the super loop. Now, in this environment also we can go for debugging mode, and next we can go with the simulation over here of the LEDs modules, and for dumping onto the code of this hex file we are using a tool called as a Flash Magic. For dumping onto the board, this Flash Magic is used. Using the COM port which we are connecting onto the PC backend, and to the board we are having two UARTs, UART 0 and UART 1. This is UART 0, the current serial cable to the UART 0, and making the sufficient settings in the Flash Magic, we can dump the hardware to the download the board onto the board, and next the output can be connected onto the output can be seen on the LED modules.
Most of the times when it comes to online learnings, people will be confident enough with an idea that any subject's concepts can be learned, but remains questionably paused with how the laboratory classes can be done. In the String Technologies, at the participant end, the board will be presented across available to the tutor, And while the participant is explaining the tools, whether he will be using the respected compilers or assemblers or any other kinds of tools, anyhow, the participant will be getting the screen of the tool, and he can also be able to see the boards which is available with the tutor at the participant end.
By using this Flash Magic, we are dumping onto the board with proper settings on the Flash Magic. Now in the session we have written the code for toggling of the LEDs. So this board just have done the code using the serial communications, which is using the COM port, and just on the board you can see the toggling of LEDs on the part of the LED modules here.
During the course of explanation lab sessions, from the tutor side, the camera will be switched to the hardware platform so that the participant can have a live look whatever the code downloaded onto the hardware platform and how the results are appearing. The participant can also be able to see how LEDs are blinking. 7 segment displays for the code that he have written can be effectively done. Anyhow, apart from all these things, whatever the PC based verifications required for the output through UART or some other terminals can be definitely seen by the PC screen itself. The student across the computer can be able to hear the session in a clear fashion.
This is the development board which we are using for the ARM7 LPC2148. Now on this board we are having the predefined LED modules, and we are having the LCD for user interface. This is the LPC2148 controller. For programming of the controller we are using Field IDE environment for programming. Now this is the Field IDE environment we are seeing on the screen, and this is the main program, main function. So in the main function I have configured the GPIO programming for the instructions, directions of the LEDs, while one for it as a super loop, or toggling and toggling of the LEDs. And now for programming this code onto the hardware, we are using an environment called as a Flash Magic. Making the considerable settings in the Flash Magic using serial communications, we are programming the code.
There is a feasibility to ask questions and get clarified in case of any doubts or any re-explanation if needed. There is an option provided called raise hand on the screen such that it would give an intimation to the tutor that the participant has something to be get clarified.
Excuse me sir, here I have a doubt. Why we are using pencil to register? Please explain.
Okay. This is the instructions you are asking for the doubt. Now, this register is mainly used for selection of the pin functionality. This functionality means as we have a number of peripherals on the controllers. So selecting for the functionalities, we are using pin selections. In this program, I have gone for GPIO, so pixel value is 0.
Hello sir.
Hello.
On the overall context, I have a few questions for you.
Yes.
How could you deal with a student when he approaches you in case of either theoretical or online phases?
Okay. When coming to the real-time scenario, the student coming to the institute and they are learning the same training courses. So when it comes to the online courses, so the same scenario will be applicable for this online also. Whatever the level of explanation to the theoretical person that coming to the institute is the same will be done to the online person also using a tool. So this would be helpful for the people who wants to work on like real-time workers. So they learn technologies.
Okay. Can you just tell me how could these online classes be beneficial?
Okay, like in this the beneficiality of this tool is like saving of your time, and also if anyone wants to learn the technologies from the working hours, so if the people are in and around, so can be able to learn from directly here. So if the people are from far away, so they can learn here.
Okay.
using this tool.
Can you explain regarding any of the tools?
Yes, we have a tool for continuous online feasibility for the student and the interaction. So the tool is this one. So directly we will be logging on to here. The student will be logging on the remote area, and the video live stream will be done over there. And the student will be visible for me, and my video will be visible to him. And also we can have the chat over here, and we have a whiteboard area so that I can explain the register level or whatever content explanation is there. So I will be doing over here.
Okay. In case of online, how can he able to interact with the hardware?
Okay, for that case we are providing a graphical user interface for the student so that he can directly use our a tool using which he can directly configure the board, and then we can directly interface the hardware modules. This hardware interfacing will be done through online only. So the user interface will be very much easier for him. So for hardware practicing also.
Okay. If a student has doubt or if any re-explanation needed, how could he supposed to be approach you?
Okay. For that one, the tool the same we are using is here. So this has an option of raise hand. This can be observed over here for the student login version. So by clicking onto it, so that I can get an interrupt over here that some student got an doubt regarding the same session. So directly I will be noting it.
So, do you want to convey any message regarding this, sir?
Yes. By using this sessions, we can train the students on different technologies and new upcoming technologies, so that the real-time workers and real-time those who are working on the current technologies can learn from the remote stations itself.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Finally, I would like to convey that participants had a feasibility to have a look at tutor's computer screen and tutor's face in order to have a face-to-face interaction, and also can learn tools-wise handling over online. There is a great opportunity for the participant to go through with this recorded session the total conversation online for a few days, over which the participant can repeat the same lecture and can get the total content revised on his own at his convenient time. This String Technologies online platform can be used effectively by the students of undergraduates, graduates and postgraduates, and it is also meant for the corporate employees at their initial stage of their career development in order to learn all the latest technologies, associated projects or courses at a very economical price. Thank you.